किसने हमको रोका है, हमको बताया तो जाए। हमको कैसे कोई रोक सकता है? यहाँ का जो एयरपोर्ट है वही तो हमको वहाँ जाने के लिए परमिशन नहीं कर रहा है। हमको कैसे कोई रोक सकता है?
सर वो तो जो एयरपोर्ट मैनेजर
एयरपोर्ट मैनेजर को अधिकार है किसी को रोकने का।
शिलोंग का वो लोग बता पाएंगे। हम लोग तो जस्ट यहाँ ग्राउंड हैंडलिंग कर रहे हैं, आपको सर्विस
बात कर रही
हम लोग सब हम लोग।
वो आप हमको यहाँ से लिख के दे दीजिए कि ऑन दिस बेसिस आई एम नॉट परमिटिंग यू टू गो टू शिलोंग। वो बेसिस हमको बता दीजिए ताकि हम जब कानूनी कार्रवाई करेंगे तो उसमें हमको वो लेटर काम आएगा।
Since yesterday itself, they all have assembled here to express their resentment towards the idea of this Swami Shankaracharya team, which plans to take out a Gau Dhwaj Yatra, which is actually to spread the message of respecting cow and respecting it as their mother and to end cow slaughter. Now, I'm being joined by very prominent NGOs in Meghalaya known as the Khasi Students Union, Donald Thaba and his members here, who's going to speak to us. Firstly, if you can tell us, how do you look at this whole idea of a cow activist beginning in Meghalaya and the Northeast?
I think this is an attempt to impose their beliefs, their culture, their food habits on us, which is very wrong. Because in our state we do not believe on imposition of anything which is ours on other people. You see, if they do not eat beef, we will respect them. We respect them that they don't eat beef. If they are not eating beef, if they are coming to my home, I will not serve beef. If in a restaurant, if I'm eating with a Hindu on the same table, if I have beef, I will shift to another table. And at the same time also, we would not like other people to impose their belief on us.
Few weeks now will be there'll be puja celebration, so there's fear among the people that the people other communities, they might be targeted, and also just to set that tone of peace, what do you have to say?
See, the onus is always on the government. You see, there is there is apprehension everywhere. By us coming here for 2 days in the airport also, people are apprehensive. There are people who are worried, there are people who are scared, there are people who feel that we should do more to stop this person. But if we look in Nagaland, we contact our counterparts in Nagaland. The Naga Students Federation issued only one press release. They did not do anything. They did not need to go to Dimapur airport to stop this person and his group. The government of Nagaland immediately take action, and it showed its spine to the rest of the country that the Nagaland government stood for its people, by its people, and for the rights of its people. Whereas the government of Meghalaya has been taking a very soft stand. It is only since yesterday, when there are protests here in the airport itself, that the government has started taking initiative to prevent this person from coming into the state.
Sir, when you look exactly from the very start, the HYC has been against this. As stated by the President, Roy Parsanram, that we are against them coming here, dictating terms when it comes to how we walk, how we talk, and how we eat. If they're ready to die for their cows, we are ready to die for our tribal state and tribalhood. As of now, we have members all across the highways. If they come by road also, we will tackle and we will see what we'll do with them.
We stand opposed regarding with this. He tried to provoke the culture and the belief of the Khasi people and the Jantia and the Garo people over here. So from our side, we will oppose and we will remain opposed regarding with this cow, what to say, I don't know with the Hindi words. So we from the Hito side, we will oppose.
So once again, here also from Hitos, and they have stated that they will protest and they will be vigilant. They have sent their people all around the stretch from Ribhoi district area. They have their members who are manning the road. Not only Hitu have mentioned that HYC, KSU. Now we'll also speak to FKJJP, who's also another group here in Meghalaya who have been here since yesterday, who are waiting for in case this cow activist group turns up at this Umroi airport. Now we are finally being joined by FKJJP President Ba Dundi Khongsit and his members of the FKJJP. But firstly, if you can tell us what's the stand of the party and what have you all decided? Will you all continue to wait for the arrival of this cow activist, or what's the plan?
Up till now, actually, we have not yet get the accurate information with regarding that he'll be landing out here in Umroi Airport or not. But from our side, we are still preparing regarding the the protests against this religious group who wanted to endorse their ideology into our state, which it is not acceptable. You see, actually, everyone knows that as a community, we are a beef-eating community. So, if these kind of groups are allowed to come and put their footstep in our state, it is against the sentiments of our people. So that's why from our side we have instigate two teams. One's to to check by if he coming by road or by through air in this Umroi airport. So as of now, from the organization, we totally condemn this kind of religious group who trying to create a communal between the community. Actually, we are a peace-loving community. So this kind of group, the government should not allow to come and lay their footstep in our state. The Chief Minister, he should have become very clear with this kind of issues. He should not allow, because he should know the sentiments of his own people. Forget about politics. Everyone should come together as community to protest these kind of groups coming to our state.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.